not supposed to fall down, Chloe. No fall down. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Again. Hey. Boomba, loomba. Oh my goodness, Chloe. Oh my, again. You keep falling down. Again, you fall. And the hat fell down too. Hey, my goodness. What kind of crazy thing are we? Again. Chloe, don't do that. Chloe, I told you.
Why she doesn't bump her head on something?
Don't fall down. Again, you did. Chloe, don't. Gram says don't fall down. Chloe, don't fall down. Again, you did that. Okay, no more fall down. Chloe. No fall down. Again. No, Chloe. Again, you did that. Let's try the other knee now. Let's go. Maybe it'd be better on this way now. Maybe Chloe won't fall down so much. They go on this knee. Okay, no more fall. Again, you're falling down. This way now? Yeah. Okay. Shall we count up to 3? 1, 2. Oh my God, we didn't even go up to 3 that time. Shall we count up to 4? 1, 2. Chloe. No more fall down. No more like that. 1, 2.